Good morning, students. This is fifth part, English. A trip to Andaman. A trip to Andaman. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Let's observe this picture. This is a beach near sea. This is a beach. All people are here enjoying here. Let's observe here. This is beach. Okay, here some questions are given. Let's observe these questions. What do you see in this picture? What do you observe in this picture? We see several people enjoying themselves at the beach. Some people enjoying themselves at the beach. They are playing. Some are playing, some are bathing in sea. So we see several people enjoying themselves at the beach. Second question. Have you ever been to see a beach? If yes, which beach did you see? Did you go to? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. It is Manginipudi Beach, or it is Marine Beach in Chennai. So, when you go, where you go to, write down that beach name. Yes, I have. It is in Marine Beach in Chennai. Third question. What do you guess this lesson is going to talk about? I guess it is going to talk about some islands. This is the name of lesson a trip to Andaman. I think this is about Andaman Nicobar Islands. Fourth question. What does the word Andaman bring to your mind? It brings onto mind closely to knowing about Andaman. Cautiously is known about Andaman. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lies between Indian coast and Myanmar. They belong to India. I think this is about lesson Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let's observe. This is a reading. Read the following essay and answer the questions that follows. This is about Andaman and Nicobar Islands that lies here. Let's observe in this map Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We had been longing to make a trip to Andaman, and Dad made it possible for us. We had been longing to make a trip to Andaman, and Dad made it possible for us. During the last summer holidays, soon after the examinations were over, Mum made preparations for the trip. On the 25th of April, we took the Pinakini Express from Vijayawada and reached to Chennai Central by 1 p.m. After lunch, we hired a taxi for the port. We had been longing to make a trip to Andaman, and Dad made it possible for us. During the last summer holiday, soon after the examinations were over, Mum made preparations for the trip. On the 25th of April, we took the Pinakini Express from Vijayawada and reached Chennai Central by 1 p.m. After lunch, we hired a taxi for the port. Let's observe. This is the ship. In the evening, we boarded a ship for Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island. This is the Andaman Nicobar Island. Its capital, Port Blair. This is India. Our capital, Delhi. India capital, Delhi. Port Blair capital, Andaman Nicobar capital, Port Blair. In the evening, we boarded a ship for Port Blair, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A ship looked much bigger than our school building. It had 4 states. It set out after sounding a loud horn. People who had come to see off their friends and relatives cheered them up by waving their hands. My sister Amala and I too waved our hands while Mum and Dad smiled at us. They entered into the ship in Port Blair. This is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Islands. The ship looked much bigger than a school building. Before starting the ship, the captain sounding loud horn. People who had came to see off their friends and relatives cheered each other. In that way, my sister, that means Amala, the boy's sister name is Amala, she also waved others. Their mum and dad smiling to each other. This is in this lesson, this is part 1. Remaining we will see in the next class.